If you're brand new to solar, or you have been in the industry for a while, but you want to make more money instantly without putting a dime, make sure you listen to this video very, very carefully. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again to another video on the channel. This video is going to be one of the most important videos you're going to be exposed this year, because I simply believe it is going to be life-changing to a lot of you. The opportunity at hand that we have right now to grow is absolutely humongous in solar. I don't know if you know about what we do, but if you don't, my name is Ivan and I own a solar growth marketing agency that specializes in solar growth and solar sales. Very recently though, we started actually selling solar. We've done that for a while, and we started selling solar. We're doing quite well and we're expanding rapidly. And as you know, we do everything over the phone. And so again, if you're new to solar, you're gonna wanna listen up to what I'm about to say, because it could very well change the trajectory of your life very, very quickly. So the opportunity that we have at hand right now is that we're looking for sales professionals or people that know nothing about sales, because we're gonna show you exactly how to do everything from A to Z. Your experience doesn't matter. What matters is your attitude, the fact that you show up every single day and want to crush things, are looking for a long-term opportunity that you can grow with, and last but not least, you want to make a heck of a lot of money. And so what's happening right now is we're hiring people that want to be working from home, making anywhere between $40,000 to $60,000 a month in their underwear. And so if you're self-motivated, if you want to work from home, if you want to make a lot of money, if you don't want to worry about where the next lead or appointment is going to come from, then this is exactly for you. And what I want you to do is I want you to schedule a call down below. The link will be in the description, in which we'll interview you, and we'll be able to obviously see if you're a good fit for this opportunity or you're not. Okay? Now, please, if you're just thinking about, like, if you just think that this is gonna be a part-time gig and this, that, and the other, this is not a part-time thing. It is a full-time job. Although it's not a job, you're gonna be a 1099, right? You're gonna technically, be your own boss, okay? But it's not gonna be a part-time gig. We require people to be available for at least 40 hours out of the week. We will ensure that we generate leads and we put appointments on your calendar on a day-by-day basis, ensuring that you're doing at least 3 to 5 appointments per day. Our best closers are doing anything between 6 to about 10 deals a week. The average commission is anywhere between $2.5 to about $6,000 per deal. If you want to start making that kind of money right away and receive all the training you ever need to be able to start closing solar deals over the phone, then please schedule a call using the link down below, and I'll see you on the other side.